What up, guys? Uh, so I think we're back, but we'll see. A lot of is really interesting market. All right, so let's talk about. Oh wait, what the fuck? This is interesting. Not really a buy signal, but yeah. Let's see. Okay, so obviously Palantir moved everything related to Palantir. I didn't trade Palantir, but probably should have. I traded BBAI, but I sold it like here-ish on that day. But yeah, this company's probably just pumping. I think that this is an old contract, but whatever. If you're still in it, good job. I also started using these 24-hour charts, like just recently, like I think shortly after the last stream, because I didn't realize you could do this. But you could do 24 hours, turn on extended hours, and you can see like the whole move. It's pretty nice. Like yeah, you get the whole candle, right? This move, I did not think it would do this, but I was thinking about buying it here. Thought it needed more time. Gorilla, should have tried it here. It's all good. February 3rd. I know that's all the way down here. Okay. Some of these other names I'm watching. China is obviously back. Uh, And drones are kind of heating up again. So this name should be on watch, I guess, but I'm not super excited for this choppy name. But yeah, drones, right? You got drones and robotics kind of got a bid here. Oh, UMAC might be looking good. PDYN is being bid up. I'm not sure why though. I don't think there's no news. It's probably just the robotics factor. Oh, this doesn't look horrible. Yeah, let's put this here. This is all running because of the Rich Tech Robotics. They opened a coffee shop that's all robots here. Pretty sure that's why robotics is catching a bid. Arc, okay. Yeah, Arc looks great, dude. Arc looks great. This is okay. So I've been using this kind of as like a source of, are we good? The market's good, right? Like this base is holding up, right? Arc F is obviously holding up. Because with like the indices, right? Like DeepSeek, right? Tariffs. It's just so fucked. You can't really trade these high beta name or is it? What does it mean? What does high beta mean? Things are related to indices again, or I don't know, but names that are more industry correlated. Um, yeah, semis. Semis won't break down. Failed breakout, now failed breakdown, right? So who knows? Still no trade for the most part. I tried. Okay, so some other trades I tried off stream. I tried ARM here before earnings, just small size, because it was breaking this level, and I was like, maybe it'll work, and then I just sold it after earnings. Stupid. Don't do that. But it's still trending up, right? This cloud is still facing up. I traded BBAI. I think I already said that. Yeah, I traded it here, and I sold it the next day. No, I traded it. Yeah, I bought it here. I didn't buy it on Palantir Day. Uh, Some other things worth watching, DQ, I think. Just everything in China. Okay, China is so strong. I've been holding this BABA forever and being rewarded for it. Like this is trending like a growth stock now, or sort of trending like growth stock. Anyway, I bought a firm. I bought a firm on Friday. This is obviously really obvious buy, right? Testing retest around this like 50s level on this right big stage. Big stage two breakout here, retests, right? Swing to profitability, yeah, it's no brainer. I think this is going to go to 100. All bad news about tariffs in China going up. Yep, exactly. Net, I've just been holding net since this day, since the Tuesday. Uh, Obviously it's a B. ACMR I've been holding, Reddit I've been holding. I've only have 5 positions. I got I held my Lunar and Rocket Lab too long, or not too long. It's just these stocks like Lunar broke down. I was hoping it would like this was a bad sign, right? Tried to break higher, and then it sort of flagged here. Like you could argue, but yeah, no, it just broke down. And but 2 weeks until launch. Okay, so maybe it gaps up on launch or something. Still watch this. But these space stocks took a they're kind of just consolidating now, except for ASTS, which is oh my God, super cringe. So so much cope that I'm not in this. SMR is super strong with the NNE earning Wednesdays. Well, I actually did try both. Yeah, I tried to trade SMR on Wednesday, I believe. Yeah, Wednesday. And I also tried to trade NNE on this Wednesday. Yeah, and I just stopped both. Yeah, this is still worth watching, but for now they're a lot weaker than Oklo, right? Oklo just keeps going higher. Uh, and of course I got shaken out here. Yeah, I'm not super excited. I demoted it. Lightbridge, I tried trading Lightbridge. I took a small size here and I just cut it, and then boom, it went up on whatchamacallit, it went up on LEU earnings, right? This is the yeah. Hmm. Revenue rises. Okay, this is probably a good headline for it. Yeah. Anyway, I could have been doing much better this rally, but it's all right. It's just been not as easy recently. I have some decent size on a firm, so hopefully that can be I can take my account, move my account a little bit. Oh yeah, Docs was great. I didn't buy it. I should have bought it. This is beautiful. I don't think this needs much explanation, right? Everyone can see it. ACB and CGC got a bid. Uh, what size? I have like a little over a fifth of my account in a firm, so like 22, 23%. Yeah, I got a really good average. I actually bought a little here, so my average is like 70s. It's under 71, I know that. And then, oh yeah, Net had this wild swing on earnings day, but I actually didn't realize it until it was gapping up. ACB was actually a really good trade if you managed to catch it, but I don't know. I didn't have any confidence this had any would have any volume, right? It was super thin before. Let's see what else has been going on. Asana, yes. This stock is just chopping people up. I'm gonna demote this one. I'm gonna demote AI. I think like this one is just like a lot of these BBAI, what BFRG was going today, so I just kind of wanted to watch it. This is still pretty thin though. Some biotechs are going right. This is pretty interesting. This is like a unbuzzed. It's like an alcohol thing. IVVD. This is a COVID alternative. Yeah, I don't really mind passing on this. Let's see, was it February 3rd? Yeah, what's up? Oh, nice. Shyness Kai ACB. Yeah, good for him. Um, okay, yeah, this is the headline I want. It's like a COVID vax alternative. Yeah, February 4th. Okay. Yeah, things are okay, I guess. I haven't been as enthusiastic about trading. My drawdown is like still continuing, obviously. But at least I'm in some things that are working now. Um, what else was I gonna look at? Yeah, let's dump the Asana. I think CLS might set up here. This would be actually really good. Twilio, I might buy soon. This one is really painful. I think I sold it like here, like right here. I bought it here, sold it here. No, no, I say I tried this twice. I think I tried it here and sold it again too. It's just whatever. Oh, nice. You read the Anna Cooling book. That's good. Oh yeah, apps. This one, this old. I traded this back. I didn't catch the big move. I traded it like here, I think, this last leg. But yeah, this had a big beat. This went up like, yeah, this doubled on earnings. It's worth watching. Um, in China, right? Everything is going in China. Look at this. I was thinking about buying this end of day here, right? On the day that this is the day Friday the 24th, Friday the 24th, right? This is the day everything in China started catching a bit this day. This is the day everyone started really paying attention, or traders did. 24th, right? And then yeah, it went straight up, 70% move this day. And yeah, I cut Futu a while ago, but I should have rebought it. Um, I should have rebought it here. Yeah, that's like this is the setup, right? I think I cut it this day. Yeah, I bought it like here, cut it here, just because I thought it would need more time, and it did. Volume finally on BFRG. Okay. Anyway, some other things, right? Like these robotics names. Oh man, all these are robotics names catching bids from the rich tech thing. Uh, this needs to go in robotics too, right? Yeah, this is robotics too. I didn't think this was this big of a deal. I saw this rich tech robotics news, but I didn't really care for it. Aklo, obviously. Okay, dude. I'm a, I just feel like I really shouldn't have gotten shaken out here, right? It kind of held this level here. It didn't even break, didn't even retest this level. Well, um, uh, what else am I coping about? What else am I coping about? XPEV, yeah, this one finally consolidating. Anyway, a lot of good signs in the market. A lot of like negative headlines, right? And everyone is like, and stocks are still going up. So just what you want to see. Soundhound. I don't love this, but maybe. Okay, I need to make these. What are the blue position icons in the charts? These? These are just notes. I started putting some of the new stuff like this to clear up the chart. You're deeply leveraged. Yeah, maybe not a bad idea. Look at this. This clover is setting up. Do you see this, guys? This is beautiful. I actually tried it here. I just sold it like for break even. I didn't really think much of it because even though it's trading like it traded $34 million volume, it still felt really thin here. But yeah, look at this this weekly flag, right? Beautiful. Uh, yeah. So like I just I think it's really likely we go to all-time highs, right? Like yields are falling. Dollar is trying to rally and getting rejected. China leadership, VIX. Like every time we had this like Trump tariff tape bomb, right? It's like like or this was the low of the correction in January, right? These two, it kept making VIX couldn't get above 20, and last Friday it barely moved at all. Like market is not fearful of it. Do I buy SMR? Oh, PDYN. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Really? I can't chase this, dude. Yeah, Trump is galaxy brain starting trade war with allies. You want to be long, you can catch some kind of bottom. I don't know, maybe. I've just been you I would not buy this today. Just wait. See, like some of these flags look better on the 24-hour chart, right? Do you see this? It's like prettier. Oh wow. Baba is so strong. I love this too because I didn't buy any on Friday, right? I've just been long since Tuesday. I bought like around here. I still have like a third of my original. I didn't add any, but originally I had a pretty big position. I sold it into here and here. But yeah, like this breakout, so to speak, right? It just it just stops people out and then it gaps up and goes. Yes. This is going to 100. I sound a little sad. I think I'm just tired from well, I'm just probably it's probably just the like the day after you drink, your voice is a little shot. The Super Bowl yesterday. And yeah, I have been tilted, dude, because I've been missing like all these big moves. you know, and I've been getting stopped out of things, shaken. It's just I've been getting chopped up. You know, what can I say? Everyone, a lot of people have been getting chopped up. It's not too out far-fetched. I don't really like these actually. I'm a little jaded, I guess, but just got to keep on pushing. This setup is actually still kind of intact, but I'm not super excited about it. What's Bitcoin doing? Yeah, it looks fine. I already talked about this, right? I think this is bottomed. Bluetooth lagging rest of China. Yeah, I don't have big exposure, but no, I don't have yeah, I don't have big or broad exposure, just BABA too. And AC, actually no, sorry, ACMR is actually a China name, I think. And I really should be in ASTS. This is kind of tilting, honestly, right? Because you could have bought it here, right? Newsday retest, gap down retest on the on this is tariff Monday, right? Is this February 3rd is tariffs, yeah, not black, not DeepSeek. And beautiful chart. Or sorry, beautiful monthly chart, I should say. See, all the news gets sold until it doesn't, and all of a sudden this is leading again. Isn't that crazy? I'm gonna bump this and TMC. These are too thin. Honestly, this is probably too thin too, but I want to watch it. No, let's just take it off for now. Apps, or sorry, app, the other one. This has been just, I think this needs earnings, right? This has just been grinding, not really tradable too much. Oh my God, this is so triggering. I really regret not buying this. Oh well. How did I make, these are, go into text and notes, right? It's a pin. Damn, dude. Oh my God. Oh, trading is just non-stop cope, guys. Dude, this is up 20%. Like, really? Come on, man. Give me a break. When is Reddit earnings? It's Wednesday. Should probably take some more off. Wednesday aftermarket, right? Or Thursday, Wednesday aftermarket, yeah. Anyway, Upstart soon too, right? I think. Yeah, Upstart tomorrow. You sold ASTS at 13. Yeah. No, it is what it is. But the thing is, this is like I was watching it at this 200. I don't know why I didn't buy it. Could have bought it here. This was a great buy here or here even. Buy here, 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 or here. I don't know why it's going today. I think there's like a T-Mobile commercial, right? In the Super Bowl or something. Was it a satellite phone thing? Yeah, Starlink, you're right. Yeah, yeah, T-Mobile Starlink. Okay. So, yeah, maybe this commercial has some interest in ASTS. The same thing. I hope you guys know what ASTS does, right? Satellite connectivity. Okay. That's got to be it. But now, if you're buying now, it's a chase. It's consolidation time, right? But see, at least, okay, silver lining is you can see if it holds this 30s level, right? Now it probably consolidates around here and you can get a good buy. Think UAMY can keep going. Yeah, I liked it. I just demoted it because it's too thin. But I like a lot of these charts on or a lot of this not sorry, I like the idea for like MP, UAMY, right? TMC, the metals company. Wait, this is yeah, US Antimony Company. These are yeah, the metals spheres, right? And now there's some steel sanctions going on too, right? Oh yeah, this was on this day, February 6th. There's yeah, yeah, let's use this headline. I don't know if I'm gonna trade these though. This has been, I guess today you could have bought it, but I don't know. Even if it was liquid enough, it's kind of choppy, but yeah, it looks good. Summit, I kind of like this. It's also a little thin, but yeah, it based nicely from here, right? And apparently this is also a China tangential play, right? They licensed this drug from China. Oh, yeah, relative volume? Yeah, yeah, for sure. It's definitely gotten more. Yeah, no, you're right. from here, it was barely trading under $1 million volume. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Um, I don't know if anyone caught this. It was too thin, but this is the the actual DeepSeek play, I guess. Like the shitcode DeepSeek play. All right. Anyway, so China, cybersecurity, right? I forgot if we talked about, but obviously cybersecurity names have been going, like Net, Crowd, right? The other ones, like I guess the laggards aren't going yet, so just focus on Crowd and Net, I guess. Net is probably the one, and then ZS. I don't know. Has this been moving a little bit? Rubric, but this hasn't really given you anything like you just kind of hold it. It's just been choppy. And some of these shitcodes have been catching bids, but I don't really care for this. Let's knock it off. This Israeli scam. Drones have been strong, right? Nuclear energy, obviously, still really strong. Ugh. Oh my God, look at this. I guess I have to promote this again. SMR2? Probably. Yeah, rubric. Okay. Um, anything else I'm missing? Like Mag 7 doing shitty. Oh yeah, SMCI. This has been catching some bids. So this is they got a deadline to update their finances, their books, or they got delisted, right? So the idea is that they're gonna get maybe show that they clean books and this can go. I don't know, man. Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? What happened here? Copper Edge forking. Huh, interesting. Damn, this is such a strong name. That's funny. Not my type of trade, but maybe after like a week or so you can get a bounce trade on it. I'll just set an alert. Wait, if the ASTS thing is related to the T-Mobile ad, why is DXYZ not doing much? Because DXYZ is like an ETF with a bunch of things. And it's trading at like 5, 6 times its NAV. This is a closed-end fund, basically, right? This thing is a scam, basically. Just it worked here. It should be like $20, $25, I think. So that's probably why. I wouldn't think too much about it. Pony, yeah, I added these back up to the watch list after all these China names started getting bids, right? Um, LI looks okay for this little base break here, right? It's just been range bound for like 4 years now, basically. But I think, maybe we can get back to the top of the range. Because look at this BYD, right? This this is the good sign. This is the really good sign. This is all-time highs, right? As of Friday, it tried, and now it's making all-time highs. Um, look at the Chinese, the Hong Kong one too, right? You'll see this. It looks great. I think I mentioned it like here, but I mean this is not, I don't think you should trade this necessarily. It's just this is what you want to watch. I mean, okay, just because DXYZ is not untradeable. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying don't be surprised if it doesn't move because quote unquote, fundamentally speaking, it's just it's not really worth that much. Dude, this actually is not bad at all. Do I promote this to 2 at least? What do I need to ditch? Should I demote this fucking lunar? No, maybe, yeah. I'll reorder some of these watch lists. Damn, this shit is crazy. Someone got like someone must have caught this, right? Like after hours, I guess. If someone had some bids out in the 120s, must be chilling. Must feel good. Look at this. This is gonna go to 200. This is crazy. Yeah, PL. Yeah, so I was really disappointed in like space has just been mixed back, right? Because like Black Sky, PL, and to some degree Spare, but this is really thin. We're getting bids, and then Rocket Lab and Lunar we're just getting like sold. Really sad. KTOS too, but oh well, we'll see. GitLab. Oh yeah, Roblox. This is yeah, got yeeted on earnings, but got bought up. This got sold. I don't know if I love it anymore. Real estate names. Uh, Coin is in this big weekly flag, right? Maybe in earnings. Breakout on earnings, right? I think I'm gonna call it. Did I miss anything? Damn, look at this. This is so nice. Yeah. I think if you actually like look at things, it's hard to be bearish, right? Lately, some fintech stocks seem to be on scan. Yeah, it's the uh so firm earnings obviously, but also um what was I gonna say? Okay, so the narrative around interest rates, right, is that short-term target as determined by the Federal Reserve is gonna remain the same, but I was seeing that what's his name, that Bassett guy, Stephen Scott Bessent, Scott Bessent, yeah, was talking about. Okay, so Bessent's focus on the 10-year Treasury yield, right? This is some more, I guess, bullish macro stuff if you want, if you really care for it. Anyway, so yeah, uh, damn, 23%. Oh my God, this is so much cope, dude. So much cope. I can't bear to look at this anymore. What the fuck, dude? Like you could have bought it here, 40% move. Ugh. Yeah, and SATX, GSAT, I've got some bids. VSAT, nothing tradable yet though. Oh my God, so annoying. Okay, um, ASTS wasn't great setup. It's just an EP, or I don't know if you call it an EP. It's just news. But I was starting to pay attention to it on this day because I saw this headline, and it was at the 200 day. It's just like sometimes this kind of thing, right? Like former leaders that led and then base for 6 months can go again, right? It reminds me of a firm like here runs and then it's dead for like a long time, right? And retests and then goes again. ASTS retested like around this breakout level here, right? We had, and then also the 200 day. But no, like you're right, the chart is not ideal, but you buy it on the news and through the 10 and 20 EMAs. You call it a pocket pivot. That's like Pradeep says. That's, like something you can buy, but whatever. Yeah, SMMT. It's like dead since September. You're right. This might get going. We'll see. It's a little thinner though. It's just you want to like you don't want to rule out things that can formerly run. It's just I wasn't really confident in in taking this because I had tried this like I bought it like I tried it here, got hit on the offering, and I tried it. I don't remember which times, but I tried it 2 out of 3 of these news days, and I got shook out obviously, but I just needed more time. Like things that can run, even though they're dead for a while, they can run, right? Just remember that. Like Palantir, another great example is like because I bought it here. Remember, like it's a great trade, early AI, right? This is one of the best EPs. I bought it here. I think I sold it like here or something. So stupid. I traded it here, right? Traded it here, traded it here, and I was long this going into here, and I think I sold it here, and then you just had to rebuy it here or here or here, right? Or here, I guess. I bought it here. Whatever. Yeah, you just gotta rebuy. It's fine though. Anyway, I'm gonna call it, guys.